Hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope you're having a great day so far. We're back shopping at Costco. The holiday season is fully here. Lots of baking going on as well. So we're going to go over some baking essentials that you can pick up here at Costco. Some of them are on sale, and we're going to get started with the Tupperware. Now, when I am baking, I always love to have plenty of storage, and I love how big this middle container is. Now, they don't have all the containers out. There's definitely more to the set, as you can see on the box, but that was such a good size. Now you have two options here in the store. It's a 32-piece set. That includes the lids, and these are on sale only till Friday the 5th. $20 savings, $50. And from Cuisinart, now I do have this set, and I like it because I can make soups, but honestly, I use it a lot for making homemade whipped cream. And this is a great small set, easy to clean as well. Now it's back to regular price of $40, and it's usually only here for the holiday season. Now here's another item from Ninja, the deluxe kitchen system. There's so much that you could do with this system. Now it is back to regular price, but it's still a good deal for as much as you're getting. So you can see the 88-ounce pitcher, you have the 24-ounce, the smaller ones, and then the food processor. I did pick this up for my dad. He is loving it. Now you can see everything you're getting right here, and the regular price is $180, but you're getting so much with that system. If you're needing a microwave, perhaps you're needing to melt chocolate or butter, this comes in handy. And this is not a huge one, but it's not small either. This is just the right size from Panasonic, and they have it up here on display, and the price is $160. Now for Bella, the slow cooker set, you're getting two, and I like this, especially the smaller one. If you're wanting to have like maybe hot chocolate or hot apple cider, the large one comes in handy. The small one maybe for melting cheese or chocolate if you're wanting to have like fondue. There's so many multiple uses for this set. It's $50, but you're getting both of them. Now, if you are needing maybe an extra oven from Chefman, this is the oven plus an air fryer, and it is metal inside. So we're going to take a look at it. You can see it's not going to take up too much counter space. So that is super cute, and it's $130. It has that probe thermometer, which is great if you're cooking meat. Now, if you're needing a larger one, this countertop oven with the French doors, plus it's an air fryer. Now, you could definitely bake a lot more here. So this comes in handy, and this is back to regular price of $160. So if you're needing extra cooking space, yeah, you could just have these out for the holidays or whenever you need them. And the KitchenAid mixer. Now this is back to regular price. It is an investment. We love ours. Now this is a 6-quart KitchenAid, and mine sits on the bottom. Mine's the smaller one. Mine's the 5-quart, but you're getting all of the attachments, like the pouring shield. I had to buy that separately, and then the one on top with the spatula on the edge, I purchased that separately as well, and I use that one the most. I know $420 is a steep price. It's definitely an investment, but you'll get a lot of use with it. Now we have some more storage containers, and this is from the brand Snapware. Now these are the plastic containers. They have them right here. I like all the different sizes. And the price, $20. That's not a bad price for as much as you're getting. And remember, I love shopping at Costco. So if you're wanting to know what is going on at Costco, what's in the stores, I know this could vary from store to store, but this kind of gives you a good idea what to look out for. The deals, new items coming in. Please hit that subscribe button and join us. We're going to continue on with the KitchenAid oven mitts. You're getting 4 of them for $17. Now, the baking sheet set, this is from the brand Nordic Ware. I like the set because there's 3 different sizes. So if you're not baking that much, you just want a smaller one. And honestly, I use the small one the most. Or if you're baking a lot, you need a larger one. You have the options. And these are a decent price, especially for a set of 3, $23. Now, if you're needing a cutting board or three, this is a set of three. So 3 different sizes. You have 2 options. You can use both sides. They're dishwasher safe as well. $20 for the set. And from Cuisinart, now maybe you don't need a stand mixer, but if you're needing a hand mixer, this is on sale right now. It's only going on till the 8th, but I like this. I love the way that the cord wraps inside and the handle. So I have a hand mixer. I've had it for so many years, but I love the length of that handle. So $10 savings, $30. That's going to go on till December 8th. And as we're baking and cooking, always great to be cleaning up at the same time. And if you don't want to use too many paper towels, the Swedish dishcloths, these come in so handy. And right now they're only $6 a box. You're getting 12 of them, 6 large ones, 6 small ones. Now they do start off a little stiff, but as soon as you wet them, they soften up. They're very absorbent and they're machine washable. So you can use them over and over, just like the kitchen towels. Now this is a pack of 8. And depending on your stores, some stores, like some designs are more popular than others. So there's 4 different designs, and then there's 2 of each. And then there's several different options as well, but they're 100% cotton. They're machine washable, and they're only $15. So that's a good price, especially for kitchen towels and for as many as you're getting. If you bake with the liqueur, there's several options here at Costco. Now, if you're wanting the brand name, this is a 750 milliliter bottle. Now this is $28.70 versus the Kirkland. Now this is a 700 milliliter bottle. It does cost a little bit less of $18. And another liqueur that my mom uses is the Bailey's Irish Cream. Now the Bailey's is a smaller bottle. It's only here for a limited time. And for a 1 liter bottle, $20.80. My mom makes a really good Irish cream, buttercream frosting. It is so delicious. And she'll pick up the Kirkland. So this is a 1.75 liter bottle for $17.90. Now, if you're needing some storage bags, the Kirkland, I know these are freezer bags, but I like them. $12.80 for the quart size, and there's 264 with the quarts. And then the gallon, you're getting 192 of the gallon plus bags. They also expand at the bottom, so lots of space, $14. If you use the Glad Press and Seal, I used to use this a lot in the past, but I don't use it anymore. But you're getting 3 boxes, and they're on sale right now for $10, $3 savings. That's going to go on until the 7th. And the Glad takeaways, now there's 70 pieces, so 35 sets in total. These are so good to have on hand, not only for leftovers, for baked goods if you're giving them away as gifts, and maybe if you're making homemade candy. $11 for each package. Now the eggs, one of the best prices I've seen in such a long time. You're getting 2 dozen for $2.90. If you prefer the organic free range eggs, you're getting 2 dozen for $7.70. And if you're baking with a lot of eggs, this is a pack of 5 dozen eggs, and this is such a good price. I haven't seen these here for quite some time. $7. That is such a great deal for 5 dozen. Now, if you use duck eggs, and I would love to know who has used duck eggs for baking, this is a dozen, cage-free as well, for $8. I rarely ever see the duck eggs. And the Philadelphia cream cheese spread. Now, I'm not seeing any of the bars right now here at Costco, so if you're wanting to bake with the cream cheese, you could definitely pick this one up. This is a 3-pound tub for $10.50, or if you're needing lots of sour cream, this is a 3-pound tub, and this is the Daisy sour cream for $5.50, or the heavy whipping cream. Now this is a 1/2 gallon from the brand Horizon, $15.90. I know it's definitely on the pricier side. Now the Kirkland grass-fed butter, this is one that I use. It is salted. They don't have an unsalted option, but $12. and it's got good flavor. I do like that one. Now, if you're needing a lot of butter, you're getting 4 pounds right here for $11.50. If you're needing a sugar alternative, they do have that here from Whole Earth. So you can use this not only in your coffee or tea, but you could also bake with it. And the price for this one is a 2-pound bag for $9. Now, when I'm baking with chocolate, I always like to make an instant coffee espresso. I will actually use that. It really just brings out that chocolate flavor. Now, this is a Nescafe Gold Espresso. This is a glass jar too for $15 for 7 ounces. Now, this is also from Nescafe, the Taster's Choice. This is on sale. So this is, of course, this is a huge container. Makes 210 cups. It's a plastic container, so it is lightweight. But this is on sale right now to the 21st for $14.50. And when baking, I use a lot of vanilla extract. I like the one here at Costco. The pure vanilla extract is not imitation. This is a 16-ounce bottle, and I do like the price. So for 16 ounces, it's only $10. That is such an amazing deal, especially compared to other stores. What a great price. The parchment paper. Now, this is from the Kirkland brand. You're getting both boxes, and for $14. Evaporated milk. I'm not finding any condensed milk. Once in a great while, I will see condensed milk here at Costco, but 12 cans for $12.50. And if you're needing some brown sugar, this is the organic brown sugar. This is the one I use. This is a 7.5-pound bag for $10.60. And don't forget the chocolate chips, the semi-sweet morsels from Nestle Toll House. Now, they used to have the Kirkland brand. I haven't seen that in way over a year, but $16 for 72 ounces. And even with the peanut butter, now I know the Kirkland organic peanut butter has gone away, and this is the Naturally More organic peanut butter. $9.50 for two 28-ounce containers. However, when I looked at this, they have the star. So I'm kind of wondering if they are bringing back the Kirkland peanut butter, because you can see, there it is. They're going to start to move this one out. If you're wanting almond butter, now this is sold separately, like just a single container. So this is 27 ounces. This is a good one as well. It is very creamy. Now that one is $10 because the almond butter does cost more. If you're wanting the chocolate hazelnut, the Nutella, you're getting both containers. And this is a good one. There's a lot of fun little sweet treats like with puff pastry that you could use with this. So both jars sold together, and at the regular price is still a good deal, $16, because they get pricey, the small bottles at other stores. Now, if you're needing the peanut butter and you just maybe want the peanut butter powder, there's so many multiple uses with the roasted peanut powder. And I'm kind of glad they used to have this like next to like the protein powders, but I'm glad they have it close to the baking, like the other peanut butter options. So $13 for 30 ounces. And if you're needing some jam, the Bon Maman jam, you're getting cherry, peach, and strawberry. These are so delicious, and the jars are absolutely adorable. So 3 of them, $15, but they're only here for a limited time. And if you're needing honey, this is my go-to, especially if I'm baking with honey, the SoCal Raw Unfiltered Honey. I like the pricing, 48 ounces for $12.50. Or if you're wanting the organic blue agave, you're getting both containers. And each container is 36 ounces for $9. So we do have some options when it's coming to sweeteners. And if you like to make oatmeal cookies, I love making chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. From Quaker Oats, you're getting 2 5-pound bags for $7.90. Now we have another oat option, and this is the organic oatmeal. This is from Coach's Oats. They are moving this one out. It does cost a little bit more, but they do change the brands when it comes to the organic oats from time to time. So 72 ounces for $11. And if you're wanting to bake gluten-free, the almond flour here, now it's a resealable bag. It is really fine. So you can make some really great like macarons with this one. And I have I've purchased this one to make the macarons, 3 pounds for $11.50. Now, if you just need regular flour, so this is the Kirkland Organic Unbleached All-Purpose Flour. You're getting two 10-pound bags, so 20 pounds altogether for $16.50. If you need more, this is a 25-pound bag for $7.80. From King's Arthur, this is a really good flour brand, the unbleached bread flour. Now, this is a 10-pound bag, and that one is $8.60. Or if you're needing the gluten-free, this is also from King Arthur, and it's measure for measure. So if you need 1 cup of flour, you'll use 1 cup of this flour, $9.50. And that's a good one too. If you need a lot of brown sugar, this is a 25-pound bag. This is from C&H. And this is $23. Now, if you're needing granulated sugar, this is a 50-pound bag. Definitely lift this up with care. $35. If 50 pounds is too much, we have a 25-pound option for $18. And if 25 pounds is too much, we have a 10-pound option as well for $7.30. Now, another option is the organic cane sugar. This is the one that I use. It's from Kirkland. This is a 10-pound bag. This lasts me a long time, but is beautiful and it tastes great. $12 and worth it. Now, if you're needing some baking soda, this is over 13 pounds. You can use this for cleaning and for baking as well. $8.90. Now, here's another chocolate chip option. This is the dark chocolate. There's no sugar added. However, they do use stevia as a sweetener. Now, this is only here for a limited time, so we only see this during the holidays, but the dark chocolate chips for $16. And the sliced almonds. Now, this is one that I pick up. Honestly, I split this with a friend because there's so much. This is a 2-pound bag. It is resealable, but I love sliced almonds. And the price, $9. Such a great deal. Now, the walnuts, the Kirkland walnuts, 48 ounces for $13. Organic pecans, 27 ounces for $12.60. The organic almonds, 27 ounces for $9. Now, I did just pick this up, the pecans, and this is a 32-ounce bag for $13. The organic vanilla beans, you're getting 20 beans in this container, only here for a limited time, $10.90. Now, if you're wanting vanilla paste, this is a 10-ounce jar. This could get expensive, and there's so many multiple uses. You can see it right here. Absolutely delicious, and it's $20, but absolutely worth it. Now, the cinnamon sticks, they're organic, but I love how tall they are. And you can see the size, only here for a limited time, $6.70. Now, the cinnamon, this organic cinnamon is ground up, and this is over 10-ounce container. I wish there were some more options when it comes to the baking spices, but this is a good price, $5. And the ground cinnamon is here all year round. Now, if you're needing some oil to bake with, personally, I use the avocado oil versus canola or vegetable oil. You have two options, the 1-liter jar for $17 or the 2-liter bottle. And the 2-liter bottle is only $24. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me today. And thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.